This is Time Trade. In this video, I want to show an effective trading method that many successful traders use. This strategy works when the trader's trading logic is supplemented by the use of a neural network that gives accurate signals to enter the market. By the way, now you can get trial signals without registration. Go to the bot and click on the Trial Signals button in the main menu. You can test the trading tool from any trading account and then get the bot for free and forever. Free connection is possible for 30 days under the terms of the promotion. I will add that soon there will be a release of a new cool training course from professional traders. To get it for free, you need to join my team now by subscribing to the Time Trade Telegram channel. Please like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos. Let's get started. Now you see the interface of the trading bot in Telegram. First, you need to select a currency pair from the list for your first trade. Let's take the Swiss franc and Japanese yen. After that, I go to the pocket option broker and find this currency pair in the search bar in advance. I will set the expiration time to 5 minutes. The investment amount will be $1,700. Now I return to the bot interface and click the expiration time button for 5 minutes. As you can see, the neural network analyzes the market. After the analysis, the trading bot gave a signal to decrease the price on the 5-minute time frame. Well, now I'll go to the pocket option broker and look at the situation on the market. Okay, I click the red button to sell in accordance with the signal from artificial intelligence. Friends, I want to tell you a little more about the terms of the promotion. Only this month you can connect this trading tool for free. After connecting, the neural network remains with you forever. Every day, on permanent terms, you will receive an unlimited number of signals that can help you make the right trading decision. The link is in the description. Go to this bot and, using its instructions, join the community of people who use artificial intelligence to improve their analysis. If you have any questions, be sure to write to our manager. He will help you understand all the nuances and connect to the broker. I want to say again that you can simply try signals without registration. To do this, go to the bot menu and click the Trial Signals button. You can open several trades and see how the trading instrument works. If you're ready to dive deep into real trading on the currency pairs market, I invite you to join a free training from the Time Trade team. This is more than just theory. After completing the course, you'll be able to clearly see market structure, identify key support and resistance zones, and make well-reasoned decisions based on analysis, not guesswork. I'll guide you step by step through learning how to read charts from the ground up, understanding the logic behind price movement, and building your own trading strategy based on proven patterns rather than someone else's opinions. This training is designed for those who want to grow into independent traders, not just follow signals, but truly grasp how the market works and act with confidence. If you've been thinking about starting or have already tried but didn't find success, this is your opportunity. Click the link in the description and message me directly. I'll respond personally and help you begin your trading journey with clarity and purpose. Guys, if you want to continue to understand the intricacies of the market and practice, just stay in touch. Your support is always felt. I will be very grateful for a like, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos. Guys, let's go to the TradingView terminal to conduct technical analysis. In the search bar, I will find a Swiss franc and Japanese yen currency pair. Let's take a close look at the chart. I want to note the key resistance area. I see that in the past the price moved up and reached the price maximum. After that, I observe the work of the resistance area. Sellers accumulated potential and turned the price down. If you look at the histogram of tick volumes, you can clearly see the advantage of sellers in the market. Therefore, I conclude that the price will continue its downward movement in accordance with the general downward trend. Guys, my content is intended for educational purposes only. I do not provide financial advice and do not give recommendations. On the channel, I demonstrate practical approaches to trading based only on my experience. That is, these are only my personal results. Therefore, trade responsibly and consciously, observing all the rules of risk management. Trading on the currency pairs market with the help of artificial intelligence can significantly improve results, but only if the trader understands how to properly interpret and apply the signals it generates. The neural network processes vast amounts of data and identifies patterns, but the trader must still use their own logic to confirm entries and avoid acting impulsively. AI should be seen as a supportive tool rather than a substitute for personal analysis. Even accurate signals can lead to losses if the trader ignores basic risk control. That's why strict money management is essential, especially for beginners. Risking no more than 3% of the deposit on each trade helps preserve capital during losing streaks and gives the trader a chance to continue learning and adjusting their strategy. Ultimately, success comes not just from technology, but from discipline, emotional control, and thoughtful decision-making. In trading, especially in the currency pairs market, psychological stability is not just a personal trait. It's a critical foundation that determines the outcome of each decision. A calm and confident trader sees the chart not as a battlefield of uncertainty, but as a structured flow of information where every movement has a reason. When emotions dominate, decisions become impulsive. Excitement after a successful trade can push a person to increase their investment size irrationally, while fear after a loss can make them exit too early or hesitate to enter a strong setup. In such states, a trader stops acting according to logic and starts reacting to emotions, which almost always leads to a breakdown of strategy and, eventually, loss. A stable character allows a trader to remain centered even when the market behaves unpredictably. Confidence formed through knowledge and experience becomes an anchor that prevents emotional swings from influencing actions. It allows one to stick to their plan even when the candle wicks sharply in both directions. Meanwhile, the first trade ended successfully. I got a good result thanks to my analysis together with the signal from the bot. If you use the signals from the neural network correctly in accordance with the market behavior, you can work with profit. Let's open a second trade on a 1-minute time frame. Increase the investment amount to $1,800 and change the currency pair to the euro and American dollar. Now, I will go to the trading bot interface to receive a signal. I press the currency pair button and the expiration time button. Let's wait a few seconds. So, according to artificial intelligence, the price may go down. Okay, I think buyer activity will increase. I press the red button. Well, if you don't have enough experience yet, you can trade using artificial intelligence. If you interpret the signals from the bot correctly, the price movement will be more predictable and understandable. Let me remind you that you will find a link to the bot in the description. Within 30 days, go to the bot interface and take it for free. The neural network remains with you forever. AI analyzes dozens of market parameters without emotions, offering a clear, structured signal based on logic and statistical patterns. This simplifies the decision-making process and helps maintain mental balance. A person does not need to feel the market all the time. They can trust the neural network's analysis and act more deliberately. Thus, psychological confidence, combined with the support of AI, creates an ideal environment for responsible trading. When the mind is calm and the analysis is supported by emotionless algorithms, the result is not only a reduction in stress, but also an increase in the quality of decisions. In the meantime, let's fix that trading with artificial intelligence can bring good results. My trading ended with a profit. If you use the trading tool correctly and know how to look at the market with logic, then any beginner has a chance to become a cool trader. It was a time trade. See you later. Good day.